So, what is a system when we're talking about organizing? Well, a system in organizing is just like a system anywhere else. It's the resources or the habits or the methods that you use to get you to your goal, right? So, here's an example from today. I have a system where I book hairstyling appointments 12 months out. Every appointment I need every 6 weeks for 12 months. I book them all at the same time and I make sure that they include the following January, right? So that all year long, I know these are the appointments. I'm going to get to them. I have time on my calendar. My wonderful hairstylist, Stephanie at The Curl Designer, has time for me, and I don't have to worry about shuffling things around for the holidays because my schedule is already set and I already have an appointment for the end of the year as well as one in January, right? So the system, the resources that I used are her booking availability, my time sitting down with my calendar, and then automated calendar reminders, right? So that's just a habit that I follow every year is to get those booked out the whole year and use appointment reminders that are automated. So that's the system I use to keep my calendar organized and to keep me de-stressed.